Students, the third alternative layout planning technique is LDEP. LDEP is an abbreviation for Automated Layout Design Program that was actually proposed by Seehoff and Evans in 1967. It's a construction algorithm based facility layout program. A construction based algorithm actually makes selection as well as placement decisions. So craft was actually an improvement. That means you would have, given the initial layout, you would improve it on the basis of the distance matrix. Whereas in LDEP, which is an automated layout design program, it's a construction based algorithm that actually uses the selection as well as the placement of different departments. Selection focuses on the next facility to be placed into the layout, and placement decisions are concerned with where exactly to place that facility in a layout. So selection आपके पास क्या है? That is where your next facility would be, given that you have the existing facility at one area. And placement decisions are concerned with where exactly to place the facility in a layout. What does it mean? Selection तो ये है कि ये एक existing facility मौजूद है, तो next facility आप इसके आसपास based on their closeness place करेंगे. But your placement decision would be where you would place it on the whole directional map. Where would that facility be placed? We have 5 steps for LDEP. First of all, you need to select a department randomly. So selection of the first department would be done randomly. Then select a department having a closeness rating A with the selected department. So based on the closeness, बहुत important है relationship chart और relationship diagram because it gives you the closeness. तो जितनी भी alternative layout planning है, you need to have that closeness chart with you. So A अगर rating है, that is, it's absolutely necessary. The selected department, if there is a tie, break it arbitrarily. अगर 2 A's हैं आपके पास या 2 से ज़्यादा मौजूद हैं, तो break it arbitrarily. Choose anyone. If no department has the minimum specified closeness rating, then choose one randomly. इतनी close नहीं है और कोई भी department ऐसा नहीं है, तो then you have to choose randomly. Repeat step 2 on the second department selected. Continue until all departments are selected. So the first procedure is to have selection. Selection based on the closeness rating. Then compute, step 4 would be to compute the total score for this layout as the sum of the closeness ratings of all adjacent departments. We need to compute the total score for this layout as a sum of closeness ratings of all adjacent departments. जितने भी उसके पास departments आ गए हैं, उन सब का total closeness जो है वो score या rating को आप add कर लेंगे. Repeat. Step 5 would be to repeat step 1 to 4 to generate a pre-specified number of alternative layouts. You would have many alternatives layout with you. Enumerative process hai, that is why algorithm is being developed. We cannot do it by hand because we would have different n, let's say n number of alternative layouts with us. So also ignore layouts with a total score that is less than a pre-specified value, let's say Z. So higher the score would be, the better one. So in LDEP, we will actually select the layout which would have the highest score, but we need to compare. So it's a comparison of different alternative layouts. It is to be noted that LDEP does not take distances into consideration while evaluating the alternative layouts. Closeness ratings are assigned certain numerical values in order to compute the total score. आपने करना क्या है? आपने A, E, I, O, U और X जो आपके पास closeness ratings थे, you need to assign them some value. आपने एक values उनको assign कर देनी है ताकि आप end पे आके total कर सकें. LDEP जो है वो distance को consider नहीं कर रहा, rather than वो आपकी selection और उसकी placement के ऊपर base करता है. So let's say for some alternative, when you have different alternative layouts, let's say the score A is 64, E is 16, I 4, O 1, for instance, U 0 and X is equal to minus 1024. These are the scores which you have assigned. You can assign any score. The total would be, चूंकि वो सारे layouts के लिए the score would be the same, and you will add them, and then you will come to the total score. That would be the procedure. Then the placement decisions follow a certain pattern in LDAP. The first department is placed in the upper left corner and extended downward. So this is how the algorithm actually goes for the placement. The width, known as the sweeping width, is specified by the user. The next department is placed at the end of the previous department, and the placement process continues in a zigzag pattern. So it's always in a zigzag pattern, and the user need to actually provide the width of the department. So students, we have seen the three alternative layout planning. So these three are actually very common, now becoming very common in different industries and organizations, because it might not be possible to actually follow the common layouts which are with us. So LDAP, craft, or systematic layout planning, they are a very good alternative layout planning techniques. Thank you.